Hey everybody, welcome to Bob's Odd Jobs. I'm just a regular guy doing DIY projects to help you save money, save energy, and fix the things you have. Today, we're talking about the energy-saving power of using a window fan. First off, let's talk about the fan. You need a powerful fan. You need somewhere between 2000 CFM and 4000 CFM, depending on the size of your house. The goal is you just want one fan. If you have multiple fans, you're losing your energy efficiency. You just want one that does the whole house. There's a few options for window fans. There's fans that are specifically designed as window fans or home ventilating fans. They attach right into the window. They're not very practical if you want to move them because they're attached. An alternative option is a commercial box fan. These things can be pretty strong, around 2000 CFM plus. Now, one of the benefits of using a box fan versus a home ventilating fan is you can take it out of the window and you can move it to another window, or you can just use it as a regular fan. To get the most out of your window fan, you need to think of it as more like an exhaust fan. It's much more efficient to pull out the hot air and have the cold air move in than to try and blow the cold air in from outside and push out the hot air. But if you have that fan blowing air, sucking air out of the house and pulling all the hot air out of the house, then every room that has a window, all you have to do is open that window a little bit and you're going to feel cold fresh air coming into that room. So what's the best location for one of these things? Well, hot air rises. We want to pull that hot air out of the house, so the best place to put that fan is on the top floor. So that's all the technical crap out of the way. Let's do some hardcore calculations and see what kind of savings these fans can give us. Your typical air conditioner uses between 2 and 5,000 watts. And your typical window fan, 100 to 200 watts. Now let's see how this can actually save us money over time. Your air conditioner probably uses more than 2,000 watts. Let's go with 2,000 and work the numbers out that way, but there's definitely more savings here. So, air conditioner. We'll go 2,000 watts. Now, if you're using your air conditioner about 8 hours a day throughout the day, we're timesing that 2,000 watts by 8 hours. Let's take our window fan. We're gonna go with the highest wattage of the window fan. We're gonna go 200 watts. And we'll times that, instead of 8 hours, let's make it 16 hours. Let's double that so that we can have this thing on longer and cool the house longer. On a typical day, your air conditioner is going to use 16,000 watts. That's only a 2,000 watt air conditioner. You could have a substantially higher or bigger one. Your fan is only going to use 3,200 watts. And that's over 16 hours. This is only over 8 hours. Do you see the savings already? So I've converted these numbers into kilowatts. 16 kilowatts per day for your air conditioner. 3.2 kilowatts per day for your window fan. My electricity rates work out to about 13.5 cents per kilowatt. So 16 times 13.5 cents, $2.16 a day. Window fan, 3.2 kilowatts times my 13.5 cents, 43 cents a day. We're not only saving money, we're saving energy. So, hey, I'm saving $1.50 a day. Great. So why don't we head upstairs? I'll show you the fan that I chose, and we'll talk about the negatives. So we talked about the different choices you can have for a window fan. There's those fans that are designed specifically for windows, and they're going to attach right to your frame. You're not taking them off when you're not using them. They're there all the time until you're ready to detach it from the frame for the winter. I've chosen the box fan, and it's a great choice because it's versatile. It doesn't have to be used in the window. It can be used beside my bed. It can be used downstairs or in any other room if I want to use it. This is the Air King box fan. It has a CFM rating of somewhere around 2,200 CFM. It's fantastic. So I'm just going to put the fan in the window and I'll turn it on. I'll show you how noisy it is. So it's a pretty noisy fan. I think it's rated somewhere around 60 decibels. It's not something you're going to sleep beside unless you like noisy things while you're sleeping. But the amount of money you're going to save by having one of these fans in your window and reducing your air conditioning, it's fantastic. Honestly, there's 3 settings on this fan. I only ever use high. I might turn it to low sometimes, but I want it to pump air out of the house. That's my main goal. Thanks for watching another edition of Bob's Odd Jobs. Like I said, my goal is to save money, save energy, and fix the things you have. This isn't really a project per se, it's more of an appliance, but hey, it's going to save me a ton of money over time. So that's what I want you to do. I want you to find ways that we can save money and save energy. Thanks again for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.